Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I'll be showing you Robinhood Gold Card review, pros, cons, and is it worth it? So let's get started. So now the Robinhood Gold Card has been generating buzz, but is it the right choice for you? In this honest and unbiased review, I'll dive into its key features, risks, and rewards, and compare it with other popular cards so that by the end of this video, you'll know if the Robinhood Gold Card fits your financial needs. So now, first, let's talk about the membership requirement. To get this card, you must be a Robinhood Gold member, which costs $5 per month or $50 per year when paid annually. This membership offers more than just the cards. It includes 5% APY on uninvested cash and 3% match on IRA contributions. So if you are already maximizing Robinhood's investment tools, this membership might add value. And now let's talk about the key features of the Robinhood Gold Card. Number one is the 3% cashback. So you earn 3% on every purchase, no categories, no caps. And bonus is the 5% cashback when booking through Robinhood's travel portal. And then number two would be the travel-friendly perks. So you would get no foreign transaction fees, auto rental insurance, and return protection. And then number three is that there is no annual fee. But remember, the Robinhood Gold membership fee acts as an indirect cost. And now in maximizing the rewards, I have a pro tip for you. Don't carry a balance due to the high interest rate. Instead, use your cash back to transfer to a high yield savings account or invest within Robinhood brokerage for a long-term growth. And now here are the potential drawbacks. So number one is a membership fee. The card itself is free, but the $50 yearly membership is mandatory. And you can also compare it with no annual fee options like Citi Double Cash Card or Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Card. And the number two would be the limited perks versus competitors. So the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card offers broader travel perks, a sign-up bonus, and a $50 hotel credit, making it feel more rewarding for frequent travelers. And then number three would be the Robinhood's reputation. So controversies have it that Robinhood's business practices might deter some users. And now who should get this card? So this card is ideal for existing Robinhood Gold members who spend $5,000 annually or users comfortable with Robinhood's ecosystem and practices. And the better alternatives for this would be for broader travel perks or no membership fees, consider cards like Chase Sapphire Preferred or Citi Double Cash. So in summary, the Robinhood Gold Card is a solid option for cashback rewards and travel perks, but shines best for those already invested in Robinhood services. As always, consult with a financial advisor to see if these cards align with your goals. So yeah, that is basically it for this video on should you get this Robinhood Gold Card. And I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.